going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be getting my car lowered, so we're going to be dropping this. Right now we're at about 3 inches or so, I'd say, in the rear, about 2.5 in the front. So I'm going with the Eibach Pro Kit. This is something that I used in the past on my Mustangs, and I really like the way that these sit, and they're also comfortable, so you don't really feel all the bumps in the road or anything like that. Gets rid of the wheel gap, but you still get that soft ride. So let's go ahead and head to the shop and drop this baby off. So I'm happy with how it came out. All right, so now that it's lowered, let's go ahead and do the measurement here on the front. Looks like it's about 1.5 in the front. And we'll check the rear. About 1.5 in the rear too. So it's about a 1.5 inch gap in the rear and in the front of the car. I think it looks really good. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Something I wanted to do for a while. As far as how it rides, it still rides smooth. You can definitely tell that it's lowered because I do feel a bit closer to the ground. But the big thing that I noticed was pretty much when you accelerate, you don't get that drop in the back anymore. So it just kind of goes. And, you know, I think I need new tires to get better grip. Because it started fishtailing on me a little bit. I hit it a little bit too hard in sport mode. But yeah, I really like it. Really like the way that it came out. So got the lowering springs done. I did the video on the roof wrap. If you guys haven't seen that, go ahead and check that one out. And of course, we also did the black noise badges here. Got the Chrysler and the 300S right there. We did the one in the front as well. That one. So this is the most mods I've done to my car at one time, I think, since I had it. But took me 2 years to get it done, but I finally did it. The next thing I'll do will probably be the exhaust. I may end up doing wheels. I was debating on if I wanted to do 22s, but I think 20s are good. But I think I would go with the 20x10 so that the wheels sit out a bit further. Could also just get spacers and keep those wheels, but I think that'll look real good. So anyways, let me know what you guys think in the comments. Let me know what modifications you guys have done to your car. And if you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button because I have more content coming. Shamilia will have more content on her car as well. Thank you guys for watching. As always, thank you for your support. And we'll see you on the next video.